How about ankle pain? Ayun, sakto kasi lately medyo may nararamdaman akong pain sa ankle area ko. So I did this 4 ankle strengthening exercise para mawala yung sakit at mag-improve yung ankle mobility ko. Knee to wall. Aim na i-drive mo yung tuhod mo papunta dun sa wall, keeping your heel planted sa floor to improve dorsiflexion. Ankle banded laterals. Try to go on a deep stretch as long as walang pain para mas strengthen yung ankle ligaments mo. Deficit single leg calf raises. Grab something na aangat yung paa para mas magkaroon ng stretch and improve plantar and dorsiflexion. Nice and control mo na din yung pababa for better stability. And last, clock reaches. This will promote proprioceptive control, which is the body position sense, para may iwasan na din yung pag-injure ulit ng ankle in the future. Reach on 12, 3, 6, and 9 o'clock, keeping foot planted sa floor, promoting better control and stability sa ankle. Honestly, sa lahat ito yata yung nakaka-challenge talaga, lalo na pag asa 9 o'clock na. Try mo isama to sa routines mo at least 2 to 3 times a week. Lagay ko na din sa comment section yung sets and reps of each exercises. And as always, one step better, one rep stronger. Let's go!